Hi, this is Deanna from the DIYmarketer.com. Well, now that we've gone over the importance of keeping your WordPress website up to date by updating WordPress itself, your plugins, as well as your themes, we're going to go ahead and do that for this particular site. The very first thing that you should do is back up all the files on your site. Occasionally there can be a conflict between the new version of WordPress and maybe one of the plugins that you have installed on the site. So just to be on the safe side, it's always a good idea to back up the site and download the file to your computer in the unlikely event that there is a conflict. If there was a problem, we can always restore the site back to its original state using that backup file. If you're one of our clients, we have Backup Buddy, which is a premium plugin that does a fantastic job of backing up all the database files as well as your content. We will have run a backup already. We're going to download that file to the computer. Again, just to have it in case anything goes wrong. After you do a successful update, you can always delete this file. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the dashboard. And as you recall, we have our nag bar that's telling us we have a minor update to WordPress, and we also have our theme that needs to be updated. And we have 3 plugins. The process for upgrading everything is typically to do the plugins first. That's because we want to make sure that all of the plugins work properly with the new version of WordPress. The fastest and easiest way to do this is to go to the top of your plugin screen and go ahead and check off all the ones that have a yellow nag bar, because again, these are plugins that have updates. So there were 3 with a nag bar that are telling us that we need to update. And we can go ahead and check bulk actions in this little down arrow and pick Update, and then click Apply. So what it's going to do now is for each of those plugins, it's going to go out, it's going to get the updated software, and it's going to automatically update them. And as you can see, just as quick and easy as that, they're all done. Now we're going to go back to the plugins page, because this is an important step as well. Because there's a potential that there could be a conflict between the plugins and WordPress, we're going to disable all the plugins while we update WordPress and then reactivate them. Again, the easiest way up here is if you check the box at the top, it's going to select all of your plugins. We're going to do a bulk action and choose Deactivate and Apply. So this will take just a few seconds, and now you can see they're all sort of grayed out because they've been deactivated temporarily. Now we're going to come up to our WordPress update, and we're going to select Please Update Now. It's letting us know and reminding us we should have backed up our files, which we obviously have already done, and it's telling us to update now. So we're going to click that little blue button, and it is installed all the update, and just as quick and easy as that, it's done. Now we also do want to go to our theme and update the theme. This, because it's a Genesis Foundation theme, it is again very quick and easy, and it's giving us a little update and telling us what all the different changes have taken place. Now we don't want to forget our plugins. So remember, we deactivated all of these. We want to click to select all of them again. We want bulk actions, activate, and click Apply. It will one by one reactivate every one of these plugins, and we're all back in business. So now if we go back to our dashboard, This is a different thing. It's asking me to add something to a security page. So now our WordPress installation has been updated. We are using WordPress 3.5.1, the most recent version of WordPress, and all the plugins have been updated as well. So that's how to keep your WordPress website up to date, in addition to the software, the theme, and the plugins.